In today's video, I will walk you through how to convert a drawing from inches to millimeters in AutoCAD. To begin, type units into the command line, or type UN, then press Enter. This will open the Drawing Units dialog box. In this window, locate the Type option and change it to decimal if it is not already selected. Next, find the Insertion Scale option. Open the drop-down menu and change the unit from inches to millimeters. After changing the settings, click OK to apply the changes. Now your drawing units are set to millimeters. To check the updated measurements, use the DIST command by typing DIST into the command line and pressing Enter. Select the points you want to measure in your drawing. AutoCAD will now display the measurements in millimeters instead of inches. Keep in mind that changing the units only changes how AutoCAD displays the measurements. The actual size of the drawing is not automatically scaled. If the drawing needs to match real millimeter dimensions, you will need to scale the drawing manually. And that's how to convert a drawing from inches to millimeters in AutoCAD. Thank you for watching the video.